Hey guys, what's going on? Good Sunday morning to you. I want to thank my main man Ben Jones for requesting this tutorial. So this is from Probability Day 6, the Google Form homework, and I want to take a look at number 5, so hopefully this helps everybody out. So it says drawing a prime number and then drawing a composite number. Well, let's go up here and look at our set of 8 cards. Okay, so 1 is neither a prime number or a composite number. So that means this other one is the same thing. 6, 6, 9, and 6 are composite numbers. And then our only 2 prime numbers in this set of 8 are the pair of 2s. Okay, so the pair of 2s. So just a little FYI for you. So if you Google composite and prime numbers, you can get a full list of what those are. So I'm sure some of you did that. So let's take a look at this. So the first thing is drawing a prime number. Well, we know that the only 2 numbers in this set of 8 that are prime are these 2 2s. All right, so let's cross out one of those 2s. All right, so essentially we have a 2 out of 8 chance of getting a prime number in our first selection. Our second fraction says what is, so drawing a composite number. Well, 1 is not a composite number, this 1 is not, and neither is this 2. But there is 7 numbers left, so 1, 2, 3, 4 of the numbers left are composite, and there's 7 total because we had to cross 1 out from our first selection. Okay, so we have 2 8s times 4 7s. So if we multiply the numerators, that would be 8. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 7 is 56. Some of you, I'm sure, left it in that manner, but if we want to simplify, let's try to do that. So remember, if both numbers are even, they can always be divided by 2. So if we divide the top and bottom by 2, we would be left with 4 over 28. If we did it again, we would be left with 4 and 28 are both even as well, so 2/14. And then 2 and 14 can still be taken down further. Both are divisible by 2 because both are even, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So ultimately, your most simplified answer would be 1/7. A lot of you would be able to see that 8 and 56 is the greatest common factor between these two. 8 divided by 8 would give me 1. 56 divided by 8 would give me 7. I just wanted you to see if you were having trouble, you can always multiply 2 even numbers by 2 and eventually get it down to 1/7. So that is your final answer. You have a 1 out of 7 chance of drawing a prime number and then drawing a composite number in this set. Remember, 1 and 0 are neither prime nor composite. And the only number in this set that is prime is 2, and there were 2 of those. 8 total cards in the set here. Hope this helps, and everybody have a great Sunday afternoon.